What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're going to go over the technical analysis for Baby Doge as well as Bitcoin. We're also going to do a recap of Baby Doge for the past week. And we're also going to talk about what Baby Doge needs to do to continue to become successful. So anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section, all that good stuff. And let's go over this. So first things first, we're just going to go over the technical analysis here for Baby Doge. Now, the previous day on the 28th, I was talking about Baby Doge and how we're probably going to end up getting rejected up here at this resistance, and we actually did. So we got rejected down there, and we continue to go down to the support like I mentioned here. And now the next support we're going down towards is down here at 1320. Right now we're at 1411. So we're going to go down to AZ1320. So that's pretty much where we're heading right now. And then I think from there, we will bounce back up to 1420. So that's pretty much what we're doing down there. You can even see here down on the oscillator, on the prime oscillator, you can see that some buying volume is actually starting to come in, but hardly. There's not much buying volume like flowing right now in Baby Doge. And that also reflects in Baby Doge swap as well. As you can see, everything's pretty low. And yeah, Baby Doge is at 4.2 million inside of 24-hour trading volume, which is kind of low for the market cap. But like I said, it's a 10% tax on every transaction. So it's not going to incentivize people to really trade Baby Doge. So there is that. But yeah, we're waiting for this right now to go down to that support. So whenever that happens, we will be doing A-OK. And then from there, we have all the way down here, the support at 8Z1250. If we are to break the support at 1320, then 8Z1250 would be next. So that's pretty much what we got going on. So we're just going to keep continue to go over that, and I'll keep you all updated on that. But as of right now, Baby Doge is inside of kind of a bearish standing. It does seem like we're going to be pulling down a little bit more, so prepare for that. But it's not only Baby Doge. Baby Doge is down 3.5% in the last 24 hours. But, we do have other stuff down as well, but most of everything is up right now, and they're up crazy. Like Bitcoin SV up 33%, Optimism 11%, EOS 14%, eCash 77%. Like there's just crazy percentages. VChain 10%, Lido DAO 9.6%. We got all the way up here Ethereum Classic. I'll do a technical analysis on Ethereum Classic, by the way. A lot of people want to hear about that. So we're going to go over Ethereum Classic, and I'll be doing some technical analysis. Also, let me know in the description or inside the comments what you want me to go over next for the technical analysis. I'll go over anything you want me to go over, as long as it's not some type of scam coin, as long as it's not some brand new coin that just launched or some random coin. Like I can't do that because people will lose money if I do that, and I don't want to do all that. So yeah, just let me know of actual legit stuff. I'm gonna go and do technical analysis for a lot of these things though. Altcoins are pumping massively. Altcoin season is here. That's what it's seeming like. It's seeming like right now it's altcoin season. All these altcoins are pumping massively, and money started to flow out of Bitcoin, which is showing Bitcoin dominance now going down. Bitcoin dominance was at 48%, but now it's at 47.8. So it's like at 48.5 or something like that. But now it's at 47.8. So altcoins are really taking over right now. So that's good, but it's kind of bad that Baby Doge isn't benefiting from all this. All these other altcoins are benefiting from it, but not Baby Doge. So I guess they're not really trying to jump into meme coins, but Dogecoin's up 10%. Sheep is up 5%. So why is Baby Doge not up? And that's because the 10% tax. And like I said, mentioned in the beginning of the video, we have to find a way to make Baby Doge successful, make Baby Doge great again. And this is another one of those things. Like we need to get rid of that 10% tax. That's why all these other cryptos, all these other meme coins and everything are going crazy. But we're not going crazy because of the tax. Like people don't want to trade Baby Doge. Look, 4.2 million in 24-hour trading volume, right? But when you go all the way down here, let's go to where Baby Doge is. And this is kind of crazy when you think about it. So if we are at 4.2 million in trading volume, right? And our market cap is at 212 million. Look at what's right above us at 216 million. So it's only 4 million more than us, yet they're trading $1 million higher than us in their trading volume because they don't have the tokenomics tax. And this is Bone Shiba Swap. So they don't have the tokenomics tax, so they have more trading volume. Now, convex CRV, that's something different. That's like DeFi, so they're really not gonna have much trading volume. But you're seeing like a lot of these, like 4 million is way too low. Like you're in finance, 26.9 million. Like they're literally only 8 million more than us inside of market cap. Like when you see stuff like that, Stepping Coin, 30.8 million, they're really only 10 million more dollars than us. So you're seeing a lot of different things like this, and that's because we have this tokenomics tax. Like there's no reason why these other coins that are lower in rank should have higher 24-hour trading volume than us. Like Icon higher than us, but they're lower. Balancer higher than us, but they're lower inside of market cap. Like their 24-hour trading volume for SXP higher than us, but they're lower in market cap. Same thing for Jasmine Coin. All these other coins down here have way more. Like look, Terra, out of all of them, Luna, literally Luna has 41.8 million, but only 197 million dollars in market cap. Yet Baby Doge is all the way up here at $212 million market cap, $4.2 million in 24-hour trading on. It's because of that 10% tax. Waves, let's not even talk about that, 255 million. But yeah, so this should just make people really realize that we need to get the 10% tax taken off. It may sound like I'm hating on Baby Doge all the time, but it's not that I'm hating on Baby Doge. We're also going to talk about SafePal. So that's why I just clicked the star button on there. There's a lot going on with that. So we're going to talk about that. Literally, SafePal has been up the last year by 40%. So a lot of things have been crashing and doing terrible, but SafePal has really stabilized. So we're going to talk about that. I know I got sidetracked, but yeah, like I was talking about with Baby Doge, like people aren't going to just stick around for this, right? They're not going to stick around. In it's why we have to get rid of that tax. All right, we got to get rid of that tokenomics tax. So for better or for worse, this is what's going to have to happen. So we have to make the developers realize that this is what has to happen, because there's no reason why all these other cryptos should just be going crazy while Baby Doge is just doing terrible. Like literally, like look, everything, almost everything, is inside the green. Literally, but Baby Doge is down. So we need to get this straight and situated. But anyways, moving on from this, I know I talked a lot about that right there, but like I said, we're going to talk about that. We had to, because like the developers need to know that they have to do this. I know they want to do this whenever the bull market comes, but they have to do it before the bull market. If they do it after the bull market comes, then we're not going to get as big of a pump coming in for us. But if they do it before the bull market, then leading up to the bull market, now people can actually start buying more. And really, the bull market is coming in right now. So like they have to do this. They have to act fast. If they don't do this before Bitcoin gets up to like 40K, then I mean, you might as well just focus on something else. And that's just the truth. Like they have to do this before things start ramping up. And if Bitcoin gets to 40K and they don't take off that 10% tax, then it's done for. Like and when I say it's done for, it's not just gonna crash. I mean, it's done for as in for gains. Like if the bull market starts and they do not take this out and it's already starting, then we're not gonna get as much gains as all these other communities. So that's just how it is. I'll just leave it there. But yeah, if you want these indicators, these technical indicators, check out Chart Prime, link in the description. Go ahead and check that out and go ahead and sign up for that if you want to get these indicators. But let's go over the Bitcoin technical analysis as well. So we talked about Bitcoin and how we're going to hit this resistance, and that's exactly what we did. We came all the way up here, hit that resistance, 30.9K, got rejected right before 31K. We hit it very, very briefly, 31.2K, but immediately back down. But I think we're about to have another bullish run upwards here inside of Bitcoin. If it does pull back down below this area here, then we're going to end up seeing it going down to this green little line here, 29.1K. We got a little bit of support there, and we got some more support here at 28.7. And then right here at the top of this momentum wave band, we have 27.7K. So we have a lot of support areas for Bitcoin, which is why I'm saying like we're literally entering into the bull market. But Baby Doge, like literally the developers need to do this. It's really, really annoying that it hasn't happened yet. But I do have faith in him. I do have faith in them. I think they're going to do it eventually. I think they're just stalling and dragging their feet and taking time. But they don't need to be doing that. But I think that's what they're doing. They're probably going to end up doing it soon. I don't know when. Hopefully they do it soon though, because we need it now. But yeah, shout out to the Baby Doge community. Everybody's still holding strong. I'm still holding strong. And we gotta wait until they really get this thing rolling. They really need to take off that tax. And like I said, I'm gonna talk about it in every single video until they do it. All right. But anyways, over here on the oscillator, you can see it's showing selling volume coming in, and that's pretty much what this little red candlestick is here, selling volume, and we're right at the bottom of that selling volume. We're right at the bottom of this oscillator, which this is pretty much showing that we're about to have some buying volume coming in, and then when it goes down, it's going to be a little bit higher and higher and higher until it just goes down a little bit more. So I do believe that we're actually about to get some buying volume coming in for Bitcoin. So that's what we're gonna have to wait for. Maybe it'll stay on the bottom like this, like how I did here, and it'll stay on the bottom of that selling volume for a little bit, and then we'll have some buying volume. Maybe after a few days going into July, then we'll have some buying volume. So yeah, buying volume is about to come in. Bitcoin's probably gonna surpass 31K. Get ready for it. But yeah, anyways, like I said, if you want these technical indicators, definitely go ahead and check out Chart Prime inside of the link in the description. It's actually very, very good. These indicators will pretty much tell you when you want to get in, when you want to get out. Like the reason why it didn't show buy down here, because first it had to get past this resistance area to make sure that it confirms that it's bullish. Got past that resistance because that's where that red candlestick started, that huge red candlestick. That's where we had the big sell-off. So look, it's not going to show you to buy until it gets above that sell-off point. And then it did. And that's when the buying signal came in. That's why I like the chart prime indicators. So right now we're still in a good area. It's honestly actually still in a buy zone. If you look here, it's still in a buy zone. And that's why I'm looking at this. I'm like, literally, they have everything drawn up for you. So that's why I'm like, yeah, we're definitely becoming bullish right here. That's why I like chart prime. But yeah, everything's drawn up for you. And we're really going to go up here to like 31.9K and probably get rejected there. And actually, if you look right here, this is really, really interesting. And chart prime is actually one of the highest ranked indicators here on TradingView. Actually, if you go over here and look at the community scripts, they actually have some of the chart prime ones inside of the editor's pick for the top community strip. Top community picks. I almost said strips. But yeah, definitely check out chart prime if you haven't done it yet. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but if you want to check it out, link is inside of the description because it's pretty nice. So yeah, you can go ahead and check this out. And if you see over here, where are the strips? Are the scripts? I keep saying strips. Oh yeah, here they are. Market Dynamics Pro for Chart Prime. You can see likes over here, 100, 112, all those likes. So check it out. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on from this. Like I was saying, this is going to be the area that we stop at, about 31.9K right before 32K. And it's looking like we're about to break out very soon here. So stay prepared for that. Now, moving on to talk about more Baby Doge stuff. Our weekly recap is here. 206.175 quadrillion coins have now total been burned. Total burned on the burn portal now at 85.158 trillion. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. And then total Twitter followers 1,967,994. Wallet Connect V2 integrated completed for Baby Doge Swap. Garda wallet feature. Gate.io giveaway, Huobi giveaway, Space NFC giveaway, PIP giveaway, Baby Doge trending on Twitter. It's 1.6 mil tweets. You can see down there we're trending on business finance, 2,887 tweets. Now Wallet featured us on there. Baby Doge ERC20 live on Huobi, Baby Doge ERC20 live on Mexi Global as well. Link in the description if you want to sign up for that and get 10% off all your trading fees. KuCoin giveaway and Corridor Rescue Inc. Impact video. So yeah, lots of stuff went on, but nothing big enough to make us rise in price. So yeah, now our holders are now at 1,763,433 holders. Yesterday we had 1,763,176 holders. So we got up a total of about 250 holders, give or take, somewhere around there. I don't even know. Maybe just 200. 300, I don't know. But yeah, we had that many holders, added it to the Baby Doge army. So that's pretty good. 2 weeks ago, we had 1,760,359 holders. So we got 3 point something K within 2 weeks. That's pretty good. So shout out to the Baby Doge army, and someone just bought Baby Doge 2 minutes ago, $28. But shout out to all the people in the Baby Doge army buying Baby Doge. So over here, we now have $28.59 million inside of total liquidity. So we're doing good for Baby Doge swap on there. The volume for the last 24 hours, $1.41 million for the volume on Baby Doge swap. So the volume has been looking nice. Baby Doge burned in the last 24 hours, 31.2 trillion, which is actually a pretty good amount. So yeah, shout out to the burns over there. Now, for the farms are 26% for the top farm, 1.8 million in liquidity, and the rest of the farms looking nice. So yeah, moving on from there, DeFi Llama rank 166, all that good stuff, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. But yeah, we're doing pretty good here. Decent. I'm not gonna say really really good. We're doing decent. We're not doing bad, but it just sucks to see all these other DeFi platforms and all these other cryptos. Like when we look at CoinGecko, everything is literally looking up right now, and Baby Doge is looking down. So that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. We gotta get rid of the 10% tax. Like this is just proof of it. Like there's no reason why everything should be up and Baby Doge should be down. So yeah, we gotta get rid of that 10% tax, because if not, then we are not gonna get stacks like this right here, like STX. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section, all that good stuff. Check out the link in the description if you want to go ahead and sign up for Chart Prime, best indicators out there for TradingView. And as always, I'll be back with another video.